dark corner of the market.
If they would have had it, they would have done it by now. What type of thing?
Because I had somebody reach out to me from TradingView, and I said, "Can you do this?" And he said, "Yeah, we could do it." Then he disappeared. I don't know where he went. Here he is. Yeah, TradingView.
Yeah. My stream
Because they have beautiful software. I just wish they had TPOs, but ExoChart's great. But I really wish we had an alternative to Sierra Chart, that gives me the detail for ES.
MT4?
No, Sierra just gives you such great detail of the TPO. I trade off really small details.
Nothing will compare to Sierra. I've tried everything. Nothing compares. Just the nuancy and the functionality of Sierra, you can't beat it.
Yeah.
You can do everything.
It's amazing.
Literally everything. Yeah.
It's so granular, and trading the ES, because it's such a mechanical market, there's things like poor lows and just really weird anomalies in the profile that you don't get in any other software. So
sorry guys, we just lost the stream for a minute there, but yeah, it's all back online now. Cool. That was very strange. Everything just suddenly disappeared.
Okay, but at least now we don't have any dislike. So it's cool.
Was that you that just made that happen then? Just to get
No, I didn't. But yeah, now everything is fine,
Guys, please don't dislike this video again, otherwise it might have to stop. Because people come in and
restart it. Yeah.
Oh, you guys are so sensitive. Oh,
no, it wasn't. That was nothing
hilarious.
to do with that.
You guys are just hilarious. It's all good until they punch you in the nose.
Yeah. All right, we're back online. Good stuff. We're back online, but I am out of beer.
You're out of beer.
I told you need a mini fridge over there.
Yeah, I know.
He doesn't need a mini fridge. He just needs a maid or a butler.
Yes. Yeah.
But I think he is the maid. That's the problem,
Yeah. Yeah. All right. What is Bitcoin
doing? P-stream manipulation. Yeah, maybe.
All right.
So one thing I've been tracking or noticing quite heavily is that have you noticed how the funding rate has stayed pretty much like neutral, or like
just 0.01, like
it's not. It hasn't been heated this whole rally, which and if you look at the open interest on stablecoin and compared to the futures, it shows you that I think if we do have any downside, the downside is limited in the sense that there's not a lot of leverage just in the system at the moment.
No.
Which is actually quite healthy, like super healthy.
And we're getting that natural just buying from spot always. That's the thing. Unless there's aggression in the market, Bitcoin just goes up.
Exactly.
It's just what it does.
That's the great thing, is that we're sitting at like 49, 50K, and there's the funding is just so neutral.
Yeah, because everyone that wanted to sell has done that already, and
not even people that wanted to sell. It's the May crash wrecked so many people, so many, like billions and billions and billions just got absolutely destroyed. And there's, I mean, those speculators have just been completely wiped out from the market.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's the thing. That's like what we were saying. It's going to short squeeze. It's going to short squeeze. It took its time, but here we are. And what a wonderful thing it's been for the last few weeks.
You can check on Discord, on general chat. Now we know who is Adonis, but
oh, you could actually, Sam, you can see trap traders on a candle wax chart. Sam was,
right.
yeah.
Are you? Oh yeah. Can you please explain
Yeah,
how to
yeah,
see
you
trap
can, yeah, on
traders on
Excel
Excel?
charts, yeah.
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 Basically, the thing that you're looking for on Excel charts, we'll just go over this, and I like to use the footprint for this. Personally, this just gives you the information that you need. Is what you're looking for is big imbalances at the highs. Okay, so when you see something like this, where you've got 23 million like buying compared to 8 million selling, 20 million buying compared to 13 million selling, things like that, you see these imbalances at the highs. That can give you an indication that there are people market longing at this point, or at least being stopped out and of shorts and things up here, and that's a sign potentially of trap traders on here. The same way when you come down to the lows, it's just searching for those imbalances. So we get some lows here where we've got these imbalances on the chart. You can see that the selling is higher than the amount of buying that's going on at that point. But yeah, just doing a quick general sweep. Again, here you can see very much. And again, you look on the delta profile. So we can just zoom out a little bit. But that's what you're looking for, is these imbalances on the chart, basically, where you're seeing.
On my screen, I see trading light.
Yeah.
Oh, do you? Sorry.
Yeah. You've got
Yeah,
the.
by the way.
Better? Is that the one?
Yeah,
It's
the start one.
it's like watching a different match, you know.
Yeah.
But you know
Yeah,
what,
my
you
bad.
guys, on a larger time frame too, you can see trap traders. You can see inventory, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're not into, you don't have all these fancy toys.
Yeah, well, like trap traders in the most simple terms are when you just see
Like right
like
there.
candles like that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, and look above it, right? You could draw a box from 50,000 to 50, whatever it is there, right? Right there. And as soon as you take out that swing low, right? Boom.
This
It's
one,
like, it's like, oh, no, even
Oh.
up here. Yeah.
Mm.
Like it starts with that one. Go to the left a little bit.
Yeah.
Just down. No, yeah, right there.
Mhm.
And then even the low of that range right there in the middle. Just keep going to the left. Keep going down,
Around,
down,
yeah,
down, down.
yeah.
Right there, right.
Yeah.
That low. When you take that low, it's like breaking open a piñata and all the candy falls out.
Mhm.
Right? Because everybody's trading on so much credit, you know?
Yeah.
It's just crazy. $800 billion, $814 billion in borrowed money is running around out there. And that was a few months ago that article came out.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think that's the thing. From candlesticks, you can see where trap traders and imbalances. So trap traders are just, they'll form imbalances because of and inefficiencies in the chart, basically. So if you see something that creates a void with the price, like we have a move up here, we have this big break on, this was last Friday, wasn't it? Last Friday, and it just creates this void in the chart.
Yeah.
You'd know that there'd be positions that are trapped within this area.
Definitely.
Just naturally.
And
that's why when we come back to revisit it, like we did on the first attempt, you do get that bounce off of that level, because this will be people that have been short here, wanting to get out at break even here, creates buying pressure to the upside and causes price to move up.
Also, another thing I've been paying attention to is, I think nowadays with FTX breaking out onto the scene and obviously getting more volume in the exchange market, I've definitely been taking FTX more seriously, in the sense that, like today at the lows, Bybit were absorbing bearishly, right, for a bit of it, while FTX were absorbing bullishly, right?
Yeah.
And like, so I think Bybit is still the exchange that generally you still want to fade, And I think FTX is generally the exchange that maybe you want to take the side that they're playing.
Yeah, FTX has been really, really good recently.
Yeah. Bybit is still the place where everybody just makes fun of the people, and you just want to fade whatever they do.
And Binance.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, Binance has fallen off a cliff. Well, they still do the biggest volume, so I can't really say that, can I? There's still a juggernaut. I mean, look at BNB. The thing is insane. You know how much negative news came out of Binance, and the thing is still chugging along like anything.
Yeah.
It just shows you how strong BNB is and how strong Binance is. It's a machine.
Well, it's the biggest casino in the world at the moment. So
yeah, literally, it's a machine.
Yeah, Vegas could only wish.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, Vegas will get in on this. The horse racing and shit.
Oh,
soon enough.
They're
100% they're getting on it.
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, there's so much money sloshing around. It's just crazy. You know, these NFTs are selling for crazy money, and now there's so much
millions.
fraud.
I still cannot understand how somebody can pay millions for a rock. You know, and it's like, I don't know.
You know, and now there's so much fraud in the NFT market. Did you see that article in the Wall Street Journal?
Yeah, it's.
You know, because
no, I missed that one. Well, how were they saying it was fraud? I know it could be done with money laundering and stuff.
No. It's not that they were saying NFTs were fraud. They were saying that there's a lot of fraud in the NFT market because people really don't like. There are a lot of people getting into stuff who have money but no education, and whenever that happens in a market, you know, they get easily taken advantage of. You know, it's very interesting because, you know, anytime, here it is, scammers and hackers see new frontier in NFT art.
Oh yeah,
fake art, stolen credit card numbers, phishing schemes.
So there was a recent exploit which was happened. Basically, there was a guy on Twitter. I read his post, and he had, I think about it was 10 or 11 like NFTs which were valued at just under $1 million, right? And so he went to buy this new NFT, and there was an issue with it on OpenSea where I think he couldn't like post it for sale. Like he bought it and then he couldn't repost it for sale or something along the line. So he went into their official support group of the guys that he bought it from, right? And they had copied, so somebody was in there scamming him, and the way they did it was they copied the admin's picture plus username with the same 4-digit code. So never trust, on Discord, you have to be very careful. Even if you see somebody with the correct name and 4-digit code, it's still possible that that's not the correct guy. Like somebody is impersonating them. Yeah. So what happened was that there were two guys, they used social engineering to basically keep him talking, and they lulled him into a false sense of security that they were helping him. And they got him to show there's a QR code on MetaMask. So MetaMask is a browser wallet for crypto.
Okay.
And so they got him to share his screen by saying, "Oh, we're going to help you." And they used that QR code to log into his account, and they drained all of his NFTs and they sold them immediately.
Wow.
And they made off with about $1 million. So he lost $1 million on this, poor guy.
Jeez.
But that's always the way, you know, like
that's what they tried to do.
It's older than everything, you know, like that's how the scammers are doing, you know. They're not actual hackers or anything, you know. You just
it's
convince, you know, the people to
manipulation.
Exactly. Yeah,
it's crazy. I mean, it's funny, you know, I grew up in the era of penny stock fraud in the 90s, and this stuff is just, you know, it makes those penny stock guys look like they're robbing a gas station. You know, the amount of sophistication you see now in these scams is just amazing.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's what happens when really smart people go evil. You know,
exactly.
It's just, it's crazy.
And the thing about the crypto space is that I don't think it's easy to get away with a lot of money. I think if you're going for small money, it's a lot easier. But if you like the guy who recently went off with, what was it, $600 million hack on was it the Polygon network or one of these networks? right?
Yeah, I didn't follow that.
Yeah, where he drained 600 million, right? The biggest hack in crypto history, right?
Oh.
But the thing is though, is that these guys who go after this big money, it's almost impossible to cash it out.
Yeah.
Like it's so difficult because at some point you have to go on ramp where you have to go to an exchange to trade it in for real money, right? Or fiat money, if you call it.
Come from.
Yeah, and by that time it's just impossible to cash it out. So that they might on paper have 600 million, but really to take that 600 million out, it's very difficult.
Yeah, and the only thing I've seen was that lady who like vanished with like $2 billion in the crypto thing, but she.
Yeah, you must be talking about the BitConnect. I'm guessing you're talking about
Ruga Ignatova or something like that.
Yeah, BitConnect. Yeah,
that's crazy. You know.
Oh, that's how you. It's the same with that. Who was the woman that had in the equity market had that company who pretended that they had a blood testing machine which was better than exactly
Theranos.
Is exactly the same thing.
Exactly, Elizabeth Holmes. And you know how she got
Elizabeth
everybody?
Holmes.
She wore that stupid black turtleneck, and everybody thought she was
Steve Jobs. Exactly,
reincarnated or something like that.
She even changed the way she spoke.
Yeah,
like she used a deeper voice, and these things work to con people.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, you guys are still up, right? There must be some caffeine in that beer.
Yeah, it's 11 o'clock. It's not too bad. I probably will wrap this up fairly soon. Because again, like this is what keeps happening with Friday night streams. We have this move that happens just as we start, or about halfway through.
It's just flat, for hours.
And then it's flat. The thing is, it's that's what we do. That's what we do. We make the charts pump just as we go live to get people in here, and then we'll just make it all flat and boring.
And then we play poker,
Yeah, and if you believe that, I've got some oceanfront property in North Dakota to sell you.
Yeah.
Then we play poker till 3, 4.
Do you take crypto? Is the question.
I'm gonna dump Bitcoin to 48,600 in the next 3 minutes. Let's go. No, yeah. Right.
All right. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go. I gotta get some exercise. I've been sitting all day.
Yeah, no worries, man.
I gotta move my fat ass and get some exercise.
Great.
You guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
You too,
mate.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Bye.
Catch you soon. Bye. All right. Yeah, I think I'll probably wrap this up in a minute anyway. I did see if anyone else wanted to join in the conversation, but I think we're pretty much done. Single prints down here, 48,500 area, 48,550. Exactly the same scenarios we got last week. It's literally just, it's crazy just how things have just been exactly the same.
The same, yeah.
Yeah. We have a move up, we create single prints, and then the first bounce, the first test of that single prints would be the long, and then we'll probably take the liquidity up here, then we'll get the dump back down to this 48k area. So
some settings coming in.
I did say I was going to dump it down to 48,600, so. But yeah, I think basically plan for the weekend for me.
Going out and all that.
It's so annoying because competition starts in in 45 minutes.
Oh, really?
Wait, what?
But yeah,
I need to make my account.
You better do that, otherwise, you need to make it right now.
What? Can you can't register after, can you?
You
Is
can.
that how it works?
You can,
okay.
But yeah, it will. I think it will.
I think you get a bonus for registering beforehand, like $75. I think it was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, get on that now.
Competition
competition starts in 45 minutes. Annoyingly, I'm away this weekend. I'm away until Tuesday because it's bank holiday weekend in the UK. So I will be around. It's competition mode, so I'm going to be trading, but I will be trading on my laptop when I can, and most likely just on my phone. So it's not going to be any like, I'm not going to be able to do any kind of scalpy advanced stuff on this until Tuesday. It's just going to be, I mean, if we come down here, I'll take a long. If we come up here, I'll take a short. It's going to be that kind of thing. Going from just trading the charts.
I like it.
Yeah. Silent Bob, anyone else who is asking about the competition? So this is the Bybit World Series of Trading competition. This is this competition right here. In order to join it, join the Discord. All the information is in there. I'm not going to go over everything.
I don't think it begins in 45 minutes because look, it says trading begins in 1 day, in 1 hour.
Damn. Okay, good. So it starts on Sunday.
So it's
good.
Sunday,
August
12
18th.
o'clock BST.
Okay, but do it anyway.
So the 29th it starts.
That's wrong. It says that it starts on the
28th. For my birthday. Yeah, yay.
Nice.
I'm gonna be driving the whole day, Okay.
See, that's the registration phase, and then there's late registration phase.
Wait. Competition phase, August the 28th, 10 a.m.
Okay,
UTC.
Yeah, but for us it's already Sunday. Yeah.
It's over 29th. Yeah, so it's 28th, but at 12 o'clock. So it's technically the 29th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 a.m. UTC. That is 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, UK time.
10 a.m.
UTC. We're UTC plus one.
Oh, we're plus one. You're right.
See, it's not 10 p.m. It's 10 a.m. So it does start tomorrow morning. 11 o'clock.
So they fucked that thing up in the front.
They fucked that up. Yeah. So it does start tomorrow morning.
So high up, Sandy.
It's typical of Bybit. It's they always do something. Cool. Anybody got an NFT yet from this World Series of Trading? Yeah, I've got one. They've sent me a dragon egg, which is a physical dragon egg as well. I've got to hatch it in my incubator. Apparently, they sent me an incubator.
What the fuck?
No, I'll show you.
And how do you get these NFTs? Just by signing up?
Yeah. You can do.
It's not guaranteed. I'm guessing it's just
I've got
it's a lottery, yeah.
My World Series of Trading competition. My World Series of Trading T-shirt here. With you guys can't see any of this.
I saw the goodies you got. Those are pretty sick.
This is
was pretty nice.
This is my dragon egg incubator. So I need to get some dragon eggs.
Wait, do I have to watch YouTube to see this thing?
Yeah.
Oh wait.
I've got a dragon egg incubator here. We'll see what we can do with it. There's my big box of goodies. Silent Bob, can we check people's stats? Yes, you can see everybody who is entered the competition, like literally everybody. You can see their profit and loss for the competition. Yeah. So there is my dragon egg incubator. I put dragon eggs in here, and then I incubate them somehow. I have no idea what it is, but we will see. We'll see what.
Wait, you're gonna have to hatch that baby.
Yeah. Gonna have a little baby dragon. It looks like an egg poacher. It's literally what it is. It's just an egg poacher, yeah. But they're calling it a dragon egg incubator, which is ridiculous. It's an egg poacher. So thanks, Bybit, for sending me an egg poacher.
That's great. I love that.
Yeah. It's going to be fun. We're only a team of like 30 people. But we'll see what we can do. I mean, we've got a lot of people above us with much bigger teams, but it's quality, not quantity. So we will see how that goes.
I think you do. I think if you have a larger team, you do get an advantage per se, but since it's the only top, it's just the top 10.
Oh yeah, you get a massive advantage.
So
yeah.
So guys, I don't understand what stops people from signing up with 2 and then just taking positions in opposite directions. You know what I mean?
Because then you just be break even on both accounts all the time, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but the highest P&L will go into the top 10. So you won't lose any money, but you'll have a high P&L in your top 10. You get what I mean?
Yeah, I guess so. I just want to trade this as I normally trade it and just see what happens. It'll be good fun. Get Adonis and you will win. If anyone can get Adonis to join our crew, our troop, then that would be great. Everyone, they tell you this is a dragon egg incubator, but yes, it's an egg poacher on ice cube tray. I'll make some dragons from it.
A dragon egg incubator, dude. Get it right.
Yeah, it is definitely. Yeah, it is actually an ice cube tray, isn't it? That's what it is. So hey, Friday night streams. That's why they sent it to me. Get the rum and gin and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is the competition. Please do join if you haven't already. It'll be good fun. We're just gonna have some fun. Next competition. This is our warm up. Okay, so for anyone who does want to join, this is our warm up. The next time this comes around, early next year, we will win it. I am very confident about that. There's not another community out there that are better traders than what we have within this community. I'm very confident about that. We got a bunch of like marketing companies within all of here, but not really many proper traders. So we'll see. Yeah.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna head out.
Likewise. Thank you for joining.
Good night, Friday night stream. I will catch you on Tuesday or whenever you get back then.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, I'll be around a bit over the weekend. I'm going to take my laptop with me, but yeah, we'll cover this properly from Tuesday. Yeah.
Excellent.
Cool. All right. Yeah, I'm going to end the stream here as well. So thank you everyone for watching, and
bye guys.
I'll catch you. Yes. See you later, P. Thanks everyone on YouTube. I'll catch you